Good morning, students of class 3. Students, I'm sure all of you are fit and fine and in a joyful mood, ready for your English class. Students, today I'm going to continue with Unit 7 of your English grammar books. Verbs, was, were. So all of you, please take out your English grammar book and turn to page number 30. Please take out your English grammar book and turn to page number 30 of Unit 7, Verbs, was, were. Students, today I'll be continuing with exercise 1, that is fill in the blanks with was or were. In my last video, I had explained the first 12 sentences of this exercise, and now I'll be continuing with the 13th one. But before I start, let's revise the first 12 sentences. The first one. The knife was sharp, but the scissors were blunt. So children, in the first one, you have to write was, because knife is singular. So with all singular nouns and pronouns, we use was. So beta first blank mein first sentence ke you'll be writing was. But the scissors were blunt. So the first one, in the first blank, you'll be writing was, and the second one you'll be writing were. As explained, scissors, trousers, बेटा इनको हमेशा प्लूरल माना जाता है, तो इनके साथ हम क्या यूज करते हैं? वर. Then the second one. The giant dash very cruel. How was the giant? Giant was cruel. एक सिंगल है, सिंगुलर नाउन है, तो giant के लिए बेटा हम क्या यूज करेंगे? Was. The giant was cruel. Now the third one. Those mangoes dash ripe. Now those mangoes, more than one mangoes, तो उनके लिए हम क्या यूज करेंगे बेटा? Were. Those mangoes were ripe. Those mangoes were ripe. Now the fourth one. The hippopotamus dash eating potatoes. Was. We are talking about one hippopotamus. So we are writing was. The hippopotamus was eating potatoes. Now the fifth one. Grandmother was knitting pullovers for us. We dashed so happy. We were so happy. Beta, grandmother, singular noun, so was, and we, plural pronoun, so we'll be using were. For grandmother, we have used was, whereas for we, being plural pronoun, we have used were. Now the sixth one. Geeta and I dash eating pizza. Beta, we are talking about two persons, Geeta and I. So for plurals, what do we use? Were. Geeta and I. Don't get confused कि I है तो हमको was लिखना है. But remember, I से पहले गीता है, तो we are talking about Geeta and I, two persons, तो plural हो गया. तो इसलिए हमको क्या यूज करना है? Were. Now the seventh one. Where were you last night? क्योंकि सेंटेंस में यू है, तो यू के साथ हम क्या यूज करते हैं? वर, और आई के साथ क्या यूज करते हैं? was. So where were you last night? I was worried about you. Remember, यू के साथ हमेशा वर आता है बेटा, और आई के साथ क्या आता है? वॉज. सो वेयर वर यू, यू से पहले क्या आएगा? वर. एंड आई के साथ क्या आएगा? वॉज. सो वेयर वर यू लास्ट नाइट? आई वॉज वरीड अबाउट यू. Now the eighth one. Shweta dash sleeping when I came. Shweta was sleeping. We are talking about singular noun. Shweta, name of one person. तो हमने क्या यूज किया बेटा? Was. Shweta was sleeping when I came home. Okay. Ninth. Why dash she sobbing yesterday? Now she है सेंटेंस में, तो क्या यूज करेंगे? Was. Why was she sobbing yesterday? Why was she sobbing yesterday? तो she है तो बेटा क्या यूज करेंगे? Was. Now the 10th one. They dash in the park a little while ago. They plural pronoun है, तो हम क्या यूज करेंगे बेटा? Were. They were in the park a little time ago. तो प्लूरल के लिए हम क्या यूज करेंगे? Were. Now the 10th one. Sorry, the 11th one. It was hot and humid yesterday. बेटा he, she, it सारे सिंगुलर प्रोनाउंस के साथ हम क्या यूज करेंगे? Was. So it was hot and humid yesterday. Now the 12th one. Who dashed your class teacher in class 2? Now we are talking about one person, the class teacher. So we'll be using was. Who was your class teacher in class 2? So children, till here we had done in the last video. Now I'll be starting with the 13th sentence. And the 13 sentences. The piper. One person. The piper was playing a sweet tune on his pipe. Later we are talking about one person, the piper. हम एक के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, तो पाइपर अपने पाइप पे बहुत अच्छी ट्यून बजाते हैं. टॉकिंग अबाउट वन पर्सन, तो हम वॉज और वर में क्या चूज करेंगे? वॉज. द पाइपर वॉज प्लेइंग अ स्वीट ट्यून ऑन हिज पाइप. तो हम क्या यूज करेंगे बेटा? वॉज. फाइन. द पाइपर वॉज प्लेइंग अ स्वीट ट्यून ऑन हिज पाइप. तो हम क्या यूज करेंगे? Was, because we are talking about one single person, the piper. So please write, the piper was playing a sweet tune on his pipe. The piper was playing a sweet tune on his pipe. I hope all of you have done. Now I'll erase and write the 14th one. Subhash Chandra Bose dash a great freedom fighter. Now children, Subhash Chandra Bose name of one person. सुभाष चंद्र बोस बेटा one freedom fighter का नाम है. तो for singular noun what do we use? We use was. Is not alive, है ना? वो पहले थे. Is not alive now. तो उनके लिए हम क्या करेंगे? Was, है ना? And for the people who are alive, who are present, उनके लिए हम क्या यूज करेंगे? Is. That also I'm explaining so that आपको याद रहना चाहिए. Is कहाँ यूज करना? Was. Don't get confused. So yesterday words के लिए हम was यूज करेंगे and today words के लिए is. So Subhash Chandra Bose was a great freedom fighter. आई होप आप लोग फ्रीडम फाइटर का मीनिंग जानते हैं, जिन्होंने अपनी कंट्री के फ्रीडम के लिए फाइट किया. पहले years back Britishers used to rule our country and our freedom fighters were the ones who fought for our country's freedom, and so we all are living in a free nation today. So beta Subhash Chandra Bose was a great freedom fighter. आप ये पूरा एक ही पर्सन का नेम है. सुभाष इसका उनका फर्स्ट नेम, चंद्र सेकंड नेम एंड बोस सरनेम. सो सुभाष चंद्र बोस was a great freedom fighter. I hope all of you have done. Now the next one, the 15th one. Children, there is a misprint. The S of sun will always be capital. So please make S of sun capital. Remember, S of sun, G of God, they all are always written capital. The sun dash hiding behind the clouds. बेटा, how many suns are there? हाँ, कितने sun है? हाँ, only one sun is there, singular. तो we are talking about the sun. हम sun तो एक ही है, तो singular है, singular noun है. तो हम sun के साथ क्या यूज करेंगे? Was. The sun was hiding behind the clouds. The sun was hiding behind the clouds. सन वन है, सिंगुलर नाउन है, इसलिए हमने क्या यूज किया बेटा? was. The sun was hiding behind the clouds. The sun was hiding behind the clouds. Write fast. I hope all of you have written. Okay. I hope you have done. Now the 16th one. There dash some books on the table. Okay. Now, there dash some books on the table. बेटा हम किसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं? We are talking about some book. अगर some book की जगह children अगर one book होता, one book होता, suppose some book की जगह अगर one book होता तो हम क्या करते? हाँ, just keep in mind. अब यहाँ we are talking about there dash some books on the table. Some books है तो हमने क्या लिखा? There were some books on the table. But अगर सेंटेंस में होता there dash one book on the table. अब यहाँ पे just look at the difference. Some books है, we are talking about some books, है ना? तो हम plural है, तो हम क्या यूज करेंगे? one. But अगर सेंटेंस होता there dash one book on the table. One book के बारे में होता तो हम क्या लिखते बेटा? Was. I hope the use of was and were is clear to you. अब there were सेंटेंस में were है, इसलिए हमने क्या लिखा? सम बुक्स है इसलिए हमने वर लिखा, बट अगर वन बुक होता तो हम क्या लिखते, वॉज। तो आपको इसको नहीं, पूरे सेंटेंस को पढ़ के आपको देखना है कि आपको वॉज लगाना है कि वर लगाना है। सो देयर वर सम बुक्स ऑन द टेबल। सो सम बुक्स है इसलिए हमने क्या लगाया, वर, बट अगर वन बुक होता तो हम क्या लगाते, वॉज। तो आप खाली इसको नहीं देखोगे, यू हैव टू लुक एट द होल सेंटेंस, देन यू हैव टू चूज द करेक्ट वर्ड। फाइन। नाउ दी seventeenth one. Swami Vivekanand dash very popular among the people. Swami Vivekanand. Whom are we talking about? We are talking about Swami Vivekanand. Dash very popular among the people. Who was popular among the people? Swami Vivekanand. We are talking about one person. तो यहाँ पे क्या आएगा बेटा? Was. Swami Vivekanand was very popular among the people. Got it? Swami Vivekanand was very popular among the people. Swami Vivekanand was, we are talking about Swami Vivekanand, तो हम क्या यूज करेंगे बेटा? Was. Swami Vivekanand was very popular among the people. Can I guess? I hope all of you have written. We dash enjoy ourselves at okay, the 18 sentences. We dash enjoying ourselves at the party. बेटा क्या है? प्लूरल प्रोनाउन, मोर देन वन है, तो हम क्या यूज करेंगे? वन. We were enjoying ourselves at the party. We were enjoying ourselves at the party. I hope you have written. Can I raise the board? The 19th one. Dash you confused on this topic. Now, we need to start a sentence. Dash you confused on this topic. Now, just look at the word written after the blank. क्या है बेटा? You है. तो you के साथ क्या यूज होता है? Were. But because we are starting the sentence, तो हमारा were का W क्या होगा बेटा? Capital होगा. Why you confused on this topic? Why did we take were? Because blank के बाद क्या है? You. So, and we are starting the sentence, इसलिए हमारा first word क्या होगा बेटा? Capital. So, were you confused on this topic? Were you confused on this topic? Now the last one, that is the 20th one. Dash he proud of his power, question mark. Now, dash he proud of his power. What we have to write? Was or were. क्या लिखेंगे बेटा? ही है. ही के साथ हम क्या यूज करेंगे? Was. So, again, we'll be starting the sentence. So, W will be capital. Was he proud of his power? We are talking about one singular pronoun. So, क्या लगेगा singular के साथ? Was. So, was he proud of his power? तो जहां भी he, she, it हो उनके साथ हमको क्या यूज करना है बेटा? Was. और जहां भी प्लूरल्स हो उनके साथ हमको क्या यूज करना है? वर. एंड यू के साथ भी हमको वर यूज करना है. बट रिमेंबर इफ यू स्टार्टिंग द सेंटेंस तो आपका फर्स्ट लेटर क्या होना चाहिए बेटा? कैपिटल होना चाहिए. सो वाज ही प्राउड ऑफ हिज पार्ट. Now this exercise is finished and I hope the use of were and was is clear to you. Now children, I would like to take some more examples besides this book so that the concept is clear to you. I'll write some more examples. I'll change the sentence and write, and then I think the use of was and were will become more clear to you. Now children, before starting exercise number 2, I would like to write some more sentences which you don't have to write, you simply have to understand so that the use of was and were is more clear to you. And you simply have to understand. Now, fill in the blanks with was और were. बेटा आपको लिखना नहीं, बस समझना है so that the use of for and were gets more clear to you. Now, the first sentence is the king and the queen dash very kind. The king आपको खाली बेटा समझना है. Fine. The king and queen dash very kind. अब बेटे we are talking about two people. The king and the queen. तो क्या आएगा? Was आएगा कि were आएगा? क्या आएगा? The king and queen dash very kind. When we are talking about two people तो हम क्या लगाएंगे? Were. Fine. But अगर खाली होता the king dash very kind तो आप क्या लिखते? Was very kind. अगर खाली होता the queen dash very kind तो आप क्या लिखते? Was. But यहाँ पे दोनों किससे? two people किससे है? We are talking about two people क्योंकि and है. The king and the queen were very kind. So remember, जहाँ भी plurals होंगे वहाँ पे हम क्या यूज करेंगे? Were यूज करेंगे. Fine. The next example is that mango dash ripe. That mango dash ripe. So we are talking about one mango. दैट मैंगो, तो यहाँ पे क्या आ जाएगा? was. दैट मैंगो was ripe. फाइन, दैट मैंगो was ripe. मैंगोज होता जो हमने एक्सरसाइज किया तो वहां पे हमने क्या यूज किया था? वर. बट यहाँ पे दैट मैंगो है तो क्या हम यूज करेंगे? was. Now the third sentence. I dash playing in the park. Now I, सिंगल आई है, आई के साथ क्या यूज करना है बेटा? आई के साथ व्हाट डू वी यूज? वी यूज was. I was playing in the park. I के साथ हमेशा क्या यूज करेंगे? was. So I was playing in the park. Now fourth one. You dash riding a bicycle. बेटा यू के साथ क्या यूज करेंगे? आई के साथ जैसे वी ऑलवेज यूज was, तो यू के साथ क्या यूज करेंगे? यू वर राइडिंग अ बाइसिकल. यू वर राइडिंग अ बाइसिकल. यू के साथ वर बेटा और आई के साथ हमेशा क्या यूज होता है? was. I was playing in the park. You were riding a bicycle. Now the fifth sentence. Romy and I dash reading comics. Beta, we are talking about two persons, but don't get confused. कि खाली I है. That's the reason I'm repeating many examples so that the concept gets clear to you. बेटा रोमी and I है. I आप देख के was नहीं भरना, but आप I के पहले सेंटेंस देखो क्या लिखा है? रोमी and I. We are talking about two persons, तो क्या हो जाएगा? One. रोमी and I were reading comics. खाली सिंगल हो I होगा तो आप was यूज करोगे, सिंगल ही होगा तो आप वर यूज करोगे. बट अगर टू पीपल होंगे, टू पर्सन के बारे में बात करेंगे तो आप क्या यूज करोगे? वर. फाइन. सो अगेन these are all examples which I want you to look at them carefully so that you can understand the use of was and were better. The king and the queen, we are talking about two persons, तो हमने क्या यूज किया बेटा? वर. अगर सिंगुलर होता, खाली किंग होता, द किंग डैश तो आप लिखते was very kind. खाली द क्वीन होता तो द क्वीन was very kind. बट यहाँ पे द किंग एंड द क्वीन है तो हमने क्या यूज किया? वर. देन दैट मैंगो डैश राइट. वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट वन मैंगो तो हमने क्या यूज किया? was. देन थर्ड वन, आई डैश प्लेइंग इन द पार्क. सिर्फ बेटा आई होगा तो आप क्या यूज करोगे? was. You dash riding a bicycle. अगर you है सिर्फ तो आप क्या यूज करोगे? वर. Now the fifth sentence is Romy and I dash reading comics. अब Romy and I, we are talking about two persons, तो क्या यूज करेंगे आप? वर. I hope this is clear to you. Now the sixth sentence. Who dash your teachers in class 2. Now children, look at the sentence. Who dash your teachers in class 2? यहाँ पे we are talking about who? Teachers. Teachers मतलब आपके क्लास 2 में कौन कौन से टीचर्स थे? खाली क्लास टीचर होता तो आप was लिखते, बट यहाँ पे क्या है? टीचर्स. तो आप क्या लिखोगे? Who were, बिकॉज प्लूरल के साथ हम क्या यूज करेंगे? were. Who were your teachers in class 2? Who were your teachers in class 2? क्लास टीचर होता one, क्लास टीचर इज one, तो आप उनके साथ सिंगुलर के साथ वॉज लिखते हैं, बट यहाँ पे बेटा टीचर्स है, प्लूरल है, तो आप क्या लिखोगे? वर. सो हु वर योर टीचर्स इन क्लास 2. तो बेटा जहाँ पे प्लूरल होगा तो वहां पे आप वर यूज करोगे, सिंगुलर होगा तो आप वॉज यूज करोगे. नाउ द सेवेंथ सेंटेंस, द स्टार्स dash hiding behind the clouds. Now beta, we are talking about these stars. एक है कि more than one plural है stars, तो हम क्या यूज करेंगे? वर. these stars. अगर द मून होता, द सन होता, सिंगुलर होता तो हम वॉज यूज करते, बट स्टार्स प्लूरल है तो हम क्या यूज करेंगे बेटा? वर. द स्टार्स वर हाइडिंग बिहाइंड द क्लाउड्स. एंड देन वन मोर लास्ट एग्जांपल, देयर डैश वन बुक on the table. So we are talking about one book, one single book. तो क्या यूज करेंगे? There was one book on the table. तो was किसके साथ बेटा? Singular के साथ. So I hope now the use of was and were is clear to you. These examples were meant for your understanding only. No need to write them. That's all for today. Thank you, students. Have a good day ahead.